Chapter 1. Introduction to Normalization. Ever grappled with the problem of data redundancy and inconsistency in databases? That's where normalization comes in, a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy and undesirable characteristics like insertion, update, and deletion anomalies. Chapter 2. First normal form 1NF. It all starts with the first normal form, or 1NF. In this initial phase, the focus is on ensuring each column contains only atomic, indivisible values. No more cramming multiple values into a single cell, like name John, age 30. Instead, the aim is to split these into separate columns for name and age. This simple step paves the way for a more organized database. Chapter 3, Second Normal Form, 2NF. Moving on, we have the second normal form, or 2NF. This step takes organization a step further by ensuring that all non-key attributes are fully dependent on the primary key. In essence, this step involves breaking down larger tables into smaller, more manageable ones. Consider a table with customer ID, and product name. To avoid redundancy, the product information would be separated into its own table. This separation not only makes data easier to manage, it also reduces the chance of redundancy creeping in. Chapter 4, Third Normal Form, 3NF. The journey doesn't end there. The third normal form, or 3NF, comes into play next. This step focuses on eliminating transitive dependencies. In other words, it ensures that no column depends on another column that isn't the primary key. For instance, if there's a table with customer ID, product name, and product category, and the product category depends on the product ID, it would be moved to its own table. This step ensures that data has a clear, logical structure with no unnecessary dependencies. Chapter 5. Benefits of Normalization. To sum up, normalization is a three-step process that transforms a database into an efficient, well-organized structure. By ensuring atomic values in the first normal form, eliminating redundancy in the second normal form, and removing unnecessary dependencies in the third normal form, normalization makes databases more efficient and easier to work with. So why bother with normalization? It brings a myriad of benefits to the table. It reduces data redundancy, improves data integrity, and enhances the overall performance of the database. It also makes it easier to maintain and update the database in the long run. In a world where data is king, normalization is the secret weapon for creating a database that is not just functional but also efficient and well-organized. Remember, a well-organized database isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity in today's data-driven world. So, the next time you're faced with a messy, unorganized database, don't despair. Just remember the three steps of normalization: 1NF, 2NF, and 3NF, and you'll be on your way to a cleaner, more efficient database.